Okay, so can you see the screen right now? So in this particular session, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take your designs, or I'm gonna go and take a new website. One of my friend, basically, he's a IT service provider. He go and help you with your designs. Oh, sorry, with your IT services. So we go and do a redesign website, so that I can tell you all the principles and everything which are related to web design basically. And after that, what we will be doing is we will be going and I'll go and take your designs and give a little feedback about it. Okay, so is it fine? Let's do it. Let me see the chart. Okay, I'm a new kid here. Okay, so here is the person. Okay, is the guy is in the server. Wait, let me ping him. um, I'm unable to find your URL. Okay, for Douglas, we are gonna go and redesign his website basically in first, and gonna see that how things are working, and we will be optimizing this website to an end where he can get more clients and the services and whatever. Okay, with this particular session, we're gonna also see that how we can utilize Chat GPT to understand how we can design better basically. So yeah, so let me get my Chat GPT open. So whenever you are starting out as a designer, make sure that you go and do little research before designing anything, because again, if you don't have the ideas what you're gonna build, you just go and start. That doesn't work in all the time. Another thing is, whatever the data that you have on the website. For example, we have this data right now and the social media basically, and this data is like we are unable to read the content and all the things. It has multiple issues, and for example, they are unable to read the logo. Okay, they are unable to read the content. So if you see this this background is pretty annoying right now. And another thing is these things. Okay, and the social media needs to be more defined. So I'm gonna go take this content, and I'm gonna go to Chat GPT. I'm gonna type a basic uh, prompt or something like that. I would like to redesign a website for. I'm just gonna go and take the name, and it's I'm just gonna go and copy whatever we have here, and tell tell me what are the things I can improve, or if I can go and grab the data and change the ChatGPT 4. Okay, so if you are using ChatGPT Premium, okay, ChatGPT Premium. So if you can see that this just went there, it is looking up the website and it is finding these mistakes that can be improved. So let's see what it is saying. It is saying that navigation and layout, create a clear and easy to the understanding. Basically, it is like asking us to create. There is only one page right now in the website, if you see, which is this only. Okay, and it is saying that you have to go and create the service page, about page, and the contact us page. Okay, and we need to improve the branding, it is saying, and we need to use only 2 or 3 fonts. Again, it is called high quality images for the. Again, these are the things that you need to do with your every website basically. Okay, so again, we can see this particular part, like it is saying to add more CTAs and all that, so that we can convert the client whosoever is visiting the website. uh, Another thing, it is still writing, we can improve the SEO. Again, that's not our thing, but if you can read the SEO and all that, it will help you with your design skills. That's a totally different topic, we should not go in that wrong right now, but for now this is the thing. It told us that we need to use the case studies and the testimonials. So if you see right now, it is saying the testimonial and the case studies. This website doesn't have those right now. Let me go and grab right now. So if I go here to the Google My Business account, we already have, few. Wow, sorry for that. Actually, my Google is in Hindi. I don't know how that happened. Okay, it is loading. Maybe something is wrong. Okay, so we can get the URL and all the things. I have left a a normal feedback because that guy helped me and that guy helped me a lot. Okay. Okay, wait, where is it? Oh, it's a new one. New error security. Okay, that's, yeah, we can do a lot of things with this design also. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's talk about this website. Let's leave the another one. Let's leave this one because again I found that link in your bio, bro. So let's run the same prompt basically, and we will be changing the URL. That's it. Let's see what it says, and yeah, pretty much it actually. So I'm unable to visit the actual website. I can provide you the general suggestions. I don't know what is wrong with this thing. It is not able to understand whatever it is. Okay, but it is telling the general things, and let's see what we can improve. First thing first, right now in this particular website, we don't have the navigation bar. Okay, navigation bar is like always important whenever you are building any website because it tells the person that what you have on the website, and again it helps Google to understand what are the pages and how it should lay out. For example, the pages can be you can have the logo on the right or on the left side, and the pages can be about us, contact us, testimonials, and any other kind of button basically. So something like that. And again, you're having this image which is pretty fine, but if you can add your personal image, like or your own image, that would be more good, because again it is more like a personal brand. It is not a very company brand or something like that. When it comes to personal brand, you always need to make sure that you use your your own images, because it will help you with your personal branding. People will remember your face. Okay, again, and you're not how do I say, you're not using your name here, that yes, I am this. Okay. Okay. Now if you see, right now I have a ultra wide screen. Okay, but the website which you designed, okay, now it has this bar also. Okay, this we have this, it has, let's talk about this thing, and after that I'll come to this part. First thing first, it doesn't, the logo is like just a icon. User might not be able to understand whatever you are saying, so you need to put your name also there. Another thing is like security and all the basically Discord and all the things. So what I would suggest you is, whenever like for the Discord part, you can have a alert bar and you can say that, bro, here is my Discord account, join here. Okay, and for the contact part, I would suggest you to have a button basically, because again it is more good when you have buttons. You have to go tell users that, because again user are all the users basically who will be using your services, they are pretty dumb. Okay, they are, or they might, basically you need to understand this thing, like we have to add more CTAs and buttons basically. So for this particular part, you can use the buttons. Wait, let me header UI design, let me find out if I can. Oh shoot. So if you see this example right now, it has the logo, it is pretty easy to read. These are the navigation which are pretty easy to read. Again, user doesn't have to scroll up, scroll down, and needs to see. Okay, so this is a kind of this website has a bad UX basically, and also UI. So again this part, and this is pretty nice here. It is telling them just go log in and all the thing basically. So you need to make sure that whenever you need to use the buttons and the CTA always, because these are gonna help you get these are gonna help you convert people. Okay, hope you are listening to me. Say yes or no in the chat, please. Great. Thank you, Ani. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, bro. Okay, so let's back to the thing. And another thing is here, if you see, it doesn't have any kind of CTA here. in this particular section. Okay, and if you see this particular UI, this has this section also providing this kind of video, so you can have your something like this, and you can record yourself that, bro, listen, I provide these kind of services, and I would like you to try my service out, or something like that, basically, which will tell user, which you can go and connect with them more, so that they can remember your name, face, and something like that. Let's go and see more. And again, the CTA problem, and this has if you see now, I have a ultra wide screen. This design is not designed for every device. So whenever you go and design any website, app, or any kind of thing, you need to make sure that you design for a smallest screen, and after that you go and improve it. So for example, the normal screen for a website, okay, where we start, okay, it is gonna be frame, we're gonna take the desktop, and okay, we're gonna go here. Just think that this is the website, okay, and right now, if in your website it is not the same case, okay, wait, where is it? Let me grab this this website in my Figma for now. Oh my god, look at the tabs I have. That's why my PC was lagging a little bit. Let me get that design in my Figma. It's loading. Your text is small in the program, also in the menus. Yep. Laptop, and it is getting the design and on the website. I see. Don't worry, bro, we will improve the website. What common sizes do you recommend for to design and knowing for displays? I'm gonna do that thing right away, bro. Okay, so we just imported the entire website here, and basically, can you, okay, my camera is lagging if I'm not wrong. Hello, can you see my camera? Looks okay. Okay, cool. So right now, if you see with this particular thing, the website, the grid system that you used here, okay, which is, I don't know what is the thing. So let's see what it is. Oh, that's bad. Here we go. Okay, the content is pretty much out from the the grid here. If you see this part, user doesn't like to go and do the thing. If everything is in one particular container or something in a width, so it is more easy to read, and it doesn't annoy the user, basically. So let's go and take this thing, like this content. Okay, dude, I will have to go take the content slowly, otherwise this will I'm just gonna go redesign the thing for now. We can try something new with this, it's like you generally open your camera with the things and all. So what we could do is we can have this in the middle, and something like this, and make it somewhere like this, and wait. Nope. Do you? Yeah, we will be. It just I have to get the things done little bit. Let me get this frame here, adding a normal just adding few boxes so that we can just do it fast. Otherwise it taking every component from the website will take little time, and again, we don't have that much time to do all the things in one class, I would say. captured. Let's add it's taking little time to. For example, just think that this is the logo. Okay, this is the logo, and these are the navigation bars. Okay, just think. Let me take all these and add here and make some gap. Just think that this is the logo. I am not actually, I don't know why, but this, my PC is lagging a little bit because of the recording maybe. So just think that this is the button, and wait, let me add some text there so that it is logo. So this is the logo we have, and this is the button. Okay, so let's hide the thing, and we can add up here. And what we could do is we can go and add basically a video here, so that I think this color can be fine. Let me add a normal icon. Video. Let's add this icon for now. Now if you see with this particular design, okay, and wait, so if you remember, ChatGPT told us that we need to add testimonials in the design. These are the testimonials in the design, right? So we need to make sure that it is fine. I know Hindi from North. So far we are continuing the content in the grid, and we will be displaying the same type of this, and we will be focusing on the logo, navbar, header, depression, and the hero image. Yeah, you are right, bro. Yeah, so for now this is the thing, and we will be improving more things. It's just not these things. We will be also make sure that there are more you're a market guy, and it is a kind of website or home page is a kind of storytelling. Okay, basically right now I am telling a story to a user. Okay, I'm telling a story to the user that, listen bro, this is how I started. Here is my photo or video that I am here explaining the thing, and here is the testimonial. So I'm just gonna go and grab some basically feedback. So oh my god, I don't know why my thing is in Figma. Let's go take this, and we will be just duplicate this thing for now. Yep, and we will just go and add little stoke. It's like maybe 10 pixel, and we'll just round it. Now we have this thing here which is working right now. Okay, now if you see in this particular area, we are just providing the value in the design itself. We are telling that, listen bro, this is the thing that I have done, these are the testimonials, and now after this I'm gonna add a CTA basically, so that they know who am I, and they have the the testimonials, the basically the social proof we say. And now we will be adding one section for the CTA part here somewhere. So I will be just changing the color, and I will be adding a CTA thing. So So there can be multiple things with this particular design, but again, for now we can make it short. We can use this button basically. We can remove the the shadows, and we can write a CTA here. Just increasing the size. Oh shit. So basically in this one, how it will work is, we will be taking this content, little content, not a lot of things. We will be adding some content here. I'm just copying that thing so that we don't have to go and design all the things. And we will be having one CTA, some like let's get started, something like that. And we will be making it little smaller. Make sure that you follow all the principles like H1, H2, H3, so that your website can go and rank on Google. Make sure that happens. And something like this, basically you can do something like this. And now the services that you are offering, you can mention it here, these services basically. Okay, these are, how do I copy these? Okay, let's go copy this. Or also you can go and write this little content about it. Our services. Again, I'm not following all the UI principles and everything. I'm just doing the rapid designs to make you understand that how things are working here, and pretty much it's working fine. These are different things which we could add. It will go something like this. Then we will take the content. Here's the content that we will be taking. Can you say in the chat that you can hear me? Because I think you guys are not, I don't know, it's like so silent in the chat. Nice. Can I hear you? Okay, nice. And we can have the image here basically, and we can just duplicate that particular thing and add here, and add this thing in the middle of this basically, something like this. And after that we will be adding one more CTA, because again it is more like a storytelling. We are providing the value. Great show, Himanshu. I have to open another event. Thank you for inviting me today. I will be surely shoot me a DM sometime. Sure, definitely, bro. Definitely, I'll let you know. And thanks for joining. Thank you so much for joining this, the event. Nope. Okay, this is pretty much done here. And now we will be just going to add all the, how do I say, the basic footer area. Footer, yeah, wait, let me grab some footer. Are you enjoying this chat? Hello? Oh my god, this takes so much time sometimes. Okay, I'll leave it. It's okay. We will be adding this, this normal thing here is just, I'm gonna add a drag, basically a frame. I'm gonna add this thing like basically little darker, and I will add, this is the footer. So we accordingly we can go and take the inspiration from outside, and we can make the thing footer. So now this is to close the thing. Also, I need to tell you this thing, that using every time images, illustrations in your design doesn't help you always. Okay, might be possible that you are using some high quality images, and with the pixel is so high that they are unable to load the page. So you need to understand this thing also, that bro, you have to make sure that every image that you use is in png image, or sorry, in svg image or in webp format. So whenever you give to the developer, make sure that happens, or tell the developer that bro, upload the images in the web3 format, otherwise it will just, so no, it will be webp format, sorry. Yeah, basically, and this will be the pretty much it, right? So here it is more like adding more things. You can add the chatbot, um, right here. Yeah, let it be in the sidebar only. Speed test audit was fine. I see. Just telling you then the general part, okay? And I think this looks fine for now. And yeah, this is how we will be designing the page, the home page, to make a easy, basically, funnel to convert somebody, because again this is more like a personal brand and we have to convert people. It is like providing value, again providing value, and telling the user that bro, listen, I have this, people, I have worked with people and they loved my work. Here is another CTA that bro, now they know that bro, there is this thing, that this guy is all worth something, and this guy can work nicely. So here is a CTA to convert. Again, now they want to know more about the services. You can share here and tell the story or something like that, a kind of case studies, and pretty much done, and you can convert the person here at the end. So this is how I will go and design the thing, basically. And again, the insights that I used are from ChatGPT itself, testimonials, blog and resources that you can add in the footer area, about section and team section that you don't need to have. You are already mentioning all the things on the top area. Detailed service page, again this you don't need to have. If you want to focus more about the SEO part and all that things, you can do that. High quality images, again I told you about, if you use high quality images, make sure that the images are in the SVG format, and also in the, how do I say, in the webp format. Another thing, typography and readability. Yep, our website has good readability right now. It's, yeah, this should not be 17, make sure that this is 18 everywhere across the design. And engaging professional design. Yep, our design is professional, neat and clean, easy to convert. Another thing is clear navigation bar. Yes, we have the clear navigation bar. Basically what you could do is, you can mention like services here, case studies, oh sorry, testimonial, case studies, and what other section we have? Yeah, testimonial, services and case study, and a button that will contact you, basically. So yeah, this is for pretty much it actually. What else are you looking for? The image are out of the grid. These images, yeah, so you can have the image out of the grid, but make sure that when you give to the developer, it is in the full form. So make sure you do that. Or you could do something like this also, something like this also, which is like more clean, I think. So you could do this also. This will be making more sense. Any other question, guys? Because we will be just cutting off from this. Dev, any question? Rishi, Diego, Prakhar, any questions, guys? You're welcome, bro. No, regarding this, if you have any other questions, yeah, wait, Rishi, can you send me the designs that you made? Wait, let me go and see. Here it is. Each design looks similar. Not always the thing, because for this particular the small session, we took this like normal example. But again, the principles can be same, the design can be same, the use cases can be different. Okay, so that you need to think. when you go and go and see all the different designs all the time, like for example every day you go and visit Dribble or Behance or different websites, the designs will just keep feed in building in your mind only. So there will be a time when you do the design, and it will be like you will get the idea. So for example, there is this, you're building a website for real estate. So in real estate you will be having search bar, beautiful images, less content, and what else we can have, a page where all the services are, sorry, the properties are listed or something like that. So you already know what you're gonna build, so that you need to learn over that time. Okay, each design looks same. Okay, yep. So Rishi, are you ready? I'm gonna go and have a look at your design. This one, oh my god, look at that. Yeah, so let's see this design. So before that, let me give you one good example of a website. I designed this website recently. So it's pretty much, it is a home page for agency or for a website basically. So let's have a look at this thing. Okay, the logo is how somebody made it, another designer basically. So how do I say? So if you see this particular design, it is more neat, clean, giving clean vibe. Okay, it is telling that just go book your design. It has the navigation, good navigation. It is telling go and check the basically packaging, packages, and it has the the filter. It has the social proof that, bro, listen, we have verified customers and they have given this kind of proof to us. Okay, and here are the what are why they should hire or basically go with this particular company. Here is another all the services which are mentioned, again providing the value, and now we are telling here is the thing, go and learn more about it. Okay, now here is a quick video to create more depth or basically more social proof thing. It's like, bro, here is the quick video about the resort or whatever the location is, and here is like just for the content part, and here is the contact button. Basically I have added a form, numbers, email, and the live location from Google, uh, you know Google Maps. Or here is the the FAQ section. I forgot to add the FAQ section in your one, but make sure that you go and add the thing. And it has a clean footer basically. It has the logo, it has the all the social uh, pages, like all the pages, how to book your trip and all the things. So it's pretty much neat, clean. Now let's go and see how your design is built basically. So first thing first, if you go copy this particular thing, and let's see how how are you using the grid system here. Okay, oh my god. Whew, this has a lot of things that we need to work on, guys, a lot actually. So first thing first, don't, whenever user comes to the website, they always like to see the logo on the left side top. Okay, but you want to try something different, try, but make sure you do some kind of A/B testing, or you have justified facts that explain this thinking. Another thing is like the guy is looking at the logo, and this will not be same in every device. So make sure that your design should not always look good. It has to function nicely, because again, designs, you are a designer, you are a problem solver, you are not somebody who's gonna go and create more problems. Okay, another thing is like you made this thing group, let's see, and in this the logo, check the logo here. You go and give to the developer this particular logo, and how that developer is gonna crop this logo, I don't know. Okay, you need to understand this thing. Whenever you go share the logos, you need to make sure that every area is like you have to fix this particular thing. Oh my god, you have done a lot of bad things here, is like bad practices. What is this? Can't I select this thing? Oh my god, this is one line. This is a bad font, again bad content, and user is unable to read the button, so you need to improve that. And pretty much this is a bad section. Again, this is just an image. Okay, this is bad. user is unable to read whatever is going on. Okay, this thing should be on the top here. Okay, this should not be here. Again, this is, I don't know how do I say about that section. So if you see, this is going out of the content. Okay, it has to be under this particular line, this particular get system. Okay, and I don't know, this is again, bro, you need to work on, this is again the bad, I think you need to work on. Basically you have to go use Behance, Dribble, or some kind of website to understand how things work. I would suggest you, whenever you are going and starting a new design project, go and look at different 10 different websites, get the screenshot, and you add in your Figma, and pretty much done. Okay, I told you to do that, I guess, but yeah. So yep, so for this video or for this session we will be doing this much only. I think this is pretty nice. So if you have any questions, just ask me. We have little more time. Thank you so much for your time. Nice. Anything else? I'm just gonna cross the thing. So thank you so much for joining the the session, everyone, and we might be having another session tomorrow. So if you guys are watching this video on YouTube, LinkedIn, or whenever, with on any platform, make sure to join our Discord community called criticdesigns.com. So yeah, pretty much it. Thanks for joining.